Michelle with Michelle Modern Jewelry. Good morning. I'm here to show you how you can create this lovely fringe that I've created on this asymmetric kumihimo rope and fire polish chain necklace. I'm now creating a new version of this with more summery colors, mint and straw gold, and this beautiful gold faceted chain. And I'm working on the fringe now, and I'm just going to show you some tricks. So what I have here is actually a bead reamer, but you could use an awl or a round nose plier, whatever you have on hand. And you string up your pattern however you would like, and I have alternating colors here and a little metal bead, and then a 8/0 at the very end. This is a little over 2 inches, which is a typical length for a fringe. So first what I do is I take up the S-line, I wrap it around my finger, pull through the end like a loop, like you're going to make a knot. Then I take the reamer and I put it into the loop, and at the same time I'm pulling on the very tail end of the S-line. And now I'm pulling it down to using the very tip of the reamer, is pulling as tight as I can on both the end and the reamer. Now I'm going to get it down as far as I can go, and then I'm just going to slip the reamer out and pull the knot down. And there you have one knot. I typically like to put another knot on top of that, so I'm just going to put the reamer down, and I do this without the reamer. I tie the loop around, pull the knot through, pull the end through, and then I slip it down as far as I can to try to lay it on top of the existing knot. And then I just sort of tighten it with my fingernail. And then what I typically do is I go back through this knot with GS Hypo Cement, which has a very fine tip. So I'll show you how that works. You just sort of put a little dot around the knot, and you will let that dry. And I would probably put a piece of plastic on the bottom if it wasn't for the video. So we're just going to let that dry. And then once it's dried, you can then go through and just take a little fine scissors and clip right below the knot. And then you will have these beautiful fringe on your necklace. So hope you enjoyed it, and happy fringe making.